Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this used vehicle. The Ford Puma 1.0T EcoBoost MHEV ST-Line Vignale is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in this grey finish and it looks remarkable. The car is currently available with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior and you also get the 18-inch alloy wheels, which are the unique 5x2 spoke ST-Line Vignales and look very stylish. You have your powerful aluminum mirrors, which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space underneath there as well. We have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, alongside a sustainable amount of leg room in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. As you can see, it's got a sleek interior. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this soon. Features like an armrest can be seen here, which offers a more comfortable experience whilst driving, and as you can see, it's a clean and well-maintained interior. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and on this dashboard display we can show key information like our driving data, and at the top there we can also see our radio station as well. Over on that left hand side you can actually adjust your cruise control, which is a fantastic addition to the car as it keeps you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. You can also access your driving modes directly whilst on the dashboard to show different drive modes. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient while Sport offers a more performance based drive. Over to navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you can go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this functionality, which is a fantastic addition if you love to travel. Going outside of this and going into our parking sensors, you have your front and back parking sensors to fill yourself with confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. Now popping the car into reverse, these sensors will automatically display, which was great for places like shopping centres. The car also includes heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. You also get access to this climate control system with simply swiping your finger, and you also have a heated steering wheel. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.